Izikhukhula zanyakenye zenza umkhulu umonakalo zacekela phansi nenqalasizinda emqoka okubalwa kuyo amapipe amanzi edamini Nagel nehlinzeka iDurban Heights Treatment Works ngamanzi. Lidamu liphakela izindawo eziningi ezisenyakatho yeTheku ngamanzi.
It is well documented that these areas have been, on occasions, have been struggling to receive a proper constant supply of water. There's been interruptions in water supply. There have been interruptions in water supply in Phoenix as well. We are hoping that with the additional water that will now be available in Reservoir 3, it will alleviate some of the difficulties that have been experienced already.
Umnyango wezamanzi uthi sekuthatha izinyathelo zokuqinisekisa ukuthi amapipe angamelana nezikhukhula.
We did emphasize to them that one aspect that they will have to take care of is or take care on is the resilience, to build new resilience on those pipes, because we could see when we went there in April that a repeat of that can easily come back given the climate and all of that.
Umasipala weTheku uyasiphika izitsolo zokuthi amanzi okuphuza awaphephile kuleli dolobha.
We conducted our assessments after there were queries from members of the public. Those tests were conducted and the results were positive, that there is nothing wrong with our quality of water. It is drinkable.
Ukulungiswa kwepipe lesibili kulindele ukuthi kuphothulwe ngoNhlangulana.